Hi, my name is Jennifer, and I'm the owner of Emily Rose Boutique. And this was asked in one of the groups about how to do. So I'm just going to show the way that I do it. It may not be perfect, but it's a little bit easier to me. So, and it has a little bit more flexibility of how you want it done. I will show you how to do it now. All right, so I'm going to go to their text tool. Go ahead and type in the word. Go up to the font, and it's the brush script. I don't remember where I had gotten this font from because I've had it for a while. Just going to make it bigger by selecting Shift and Control at the same time and just zooming it out or in, whatever however you want to say it. All right, you want to go to Path, Object to Path, Object, Ungroup, and just want to move some of these around. And then, there we go. That looks good. So you want to highlight everything, go back to Path, Union, and I'm just doing a quick tutorial. If you really want me to go into detail and do a little bit slower one, I can. Just for time's sake, I'm just going to run through it quickly. Okay, so now what you're going to do, or what I would do, is first of all, I'm going to change the color just so it looks kind of like that. Okay, so now I want to duplicate this. So we're going to do Control D. And I guess for now, we'll just make that like a lighter color, just so you can tell the difference. Okay, but you want to work with the bottom layer, like for right now. So hit Alt and then select your selection again. You'll know you have it right when the color down here is the bottom layer color. That's how you know you've selected the correct layer. All right, so you want to do the offset. So you're going to do Control 0, 0 again. Actually, let's back that up for a minute. I'm going to select everything, and then I'm going to deselect the two pictures. These are our reference pictures. I'm going to zoom out a little bit and work more on the canvas, and I'll show you why, because when you do the offsets, it'll make it a little bit, you'll see. All right, so keeping everything, both of these two layers selected, hit Control as you zoom it out, and it keeps everything together. All right, so now we're going to go back in, Alt, and we're going to make sure that bottom layer, check it, is selected. Okay, now you're going to do Control 0 to do your offset, and one more. Okay, that's a little bit better. Okay, while that bottom layer is still selected, well, it's already up here, but I'll show you how to pull it up just in case you don't know how. Go to Object, Fill and Stroke. Uh-oh. There we go. I didn't hit it right. All right, go to Stroke Paint, and then you want to select Flat Color. And go to Fill, and you want to do No Paint. You want to go to Stroke Style, and we're just going to start with the lowest number. Okay. You can do 3 to make it a little bit thicker. 4. Oh, okay, so that's not what I did not want 1,000. 4. There we go. 4 looks pretty good. when you go to stroke paint, we're just going to, well, first of all, let's just select this first color and we'll change it back to that red, okay? So then we're going to select the bottom layer and we're going to just do the, there we go. And it's not perfect, but that's how I do it. And then you can take both layers. Let's just select everything and deselect the pictures. Okay, hold Control and zoom back down. Go back up to View, Zoom, Page. And I may have, gone about it a different way than everybody else. Like you can see right here, I think this is mainly because the G is, I don't know what the difference is right there, but that's one of the big differences, but you can tell. And then the I goes all the way around. This is just one way to do everything. You don't have to do it the same way, but just thought that I would let you see how I do it. And it's pretty easy as long as you have, basic knowledge. And like I said, it's 11:30 at night here. If you want me to do another tutorial and kind of go a little bit slower, I can do that, but hopefully I didn't ramble too much. And I would love to see your version of it. All right, I think that's it. Talk to you later. Bye.